Hey there, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you guys how to create realistic, stunning video mockups that will lead to higher click-through rates on your print-on-demand t-shirt stores. You see, these video mockups will definitely make your online e-store look more professional and will definitely lead to an increase in sales. So firstly, the site we're going to be using for this video is called Playset. As you can see, they do offer some free mockups which can be really handy. Unfortunately, there aren't too many free video mockups available. As you can see, if you search for free t-shirt mockup at the top, you'll find a decent amount of results. Some of these free options look really nice though, considering they're free. So I'm absolutely sure they're still definitely worth exploring. But still, having some free options is still better than none. High quality video mockups are quite hard to find, so it's great that Playset offers a bunch of them for different scenarios and ages. However, if you search for video mockups without the free tag, you see that there's a massive range of over 2,000 results for video mockups. I've used Playset in the past for a bunch of video mockups and all of them look absolutely realistic. Now, just a few tips. On the left-hand side, you have filters. You can sort these filters from popular to best-selling, newest, or even filter by the category of the product you wish to advertise. Now, whether you're selling coffee mugs, sweatshirts, hoodies, hats, or whatever, you have various categories to choose from. A cool nifty feature is that you can also filter by age, gender, ethnicity to find very specific video mockups. As you can see, typing keywords on the top is also possible, so there's a ton of variety of options available to you. Now let's proceed to create a video mockup using the image shown here. The first step is to click Insert Image. From here, we'll upload our design. As you can see, you can either upload from your device or adjust the design placement. Typically, moving the design up towards the top works very well. After cropping, you can change the shirt color if needed, and as you can see, my design is optimized for shirts like this one. Then, by clicking Play All Sides in the bottom left corner, it'll pre-render the video for a preview. Just give it a bit of time to let the pre-rendering finish, and then you can click download to place it in a queue. This queue may take some time, but you'll receive an email notification once it's ready for you to download. As you can see, this video mockup feature is a standout for Etsy search results. Hovering over a listing with a video mockup instantly starts playing the video, giving you a competitive advantage over your other shirt-selling competitors. Now that the rendering is completed, we can download the high-quality video mockup file. The resulting video looks amazing and will definitely make your store stand out in search results. And that's really all there is to creating beautiful t-shirt video mockups. If you have any other questions or inquiries, leave a comment down below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll definitely see you guys in the next one.